If you are considering investing in a gold IRA, did you know that there is a gold IRA company offering up to $10,000 worth of free silver when you open and qualify for a gold IRA account? By investing in a gold IRA, you will help protect your retirement savings from inflation and also enjoy the security of owning your hard asset, not to mention some of the tax benefits available. If you are interested in getting up to $10,000 worth of free silver by qualifying for a gold IRA, then take advantage of this offer today before it is too late. To find out how to qualify, please visit the link in the description below to find out more about this offer. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest offers and company reviews.